Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Ynab login error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Open another website or app to confirm your connection is stable. Step 2. Verify your login details. Carefully re-enter your email and password. Check for typing mistake. Make sure caps lock is off. If you forgot your password, tap forgot password and reset it. Step 3. Restart the app or browser. Close the Ynab app completely and reopen it. If you are using a browser, refresh the page or restart the browser, then try login in again. Step 4. Update the app or browser. An outdated versions can cause login issue. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for Ynab. Now install any available update. Also update your browser if you are logging in from the web. Step 5. Disable VPN or security extension. VPNs or certain security apps may block the login process. Turn them off temporarily and try login in again. And that's how you can fix Ynab login error. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.